Hey everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger an SMS AI agent using Node.js. By the end of this video, you'll have an SMS AI agent for a loyalty marketing use case that your Node.js application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Head over to AI Studio, open Vibe Agent, and start typing your prompt to define what the AI agent should do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered SMS AI agent that sends loyalty updates to users after a purchase. The agent should inform users about reward points they've earned, explain what those points can be redeemed for, and guide them through product discovery using simple follow-up questions. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your SMS agent. Now open the API Request Trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call from your systems. Below that, you'll see the API Auth ID and API Auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API Request Details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever a loyalty event occurs. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select Node.js. Plivo generates a ready-made Node.js snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined within the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone Node.js script or from within your application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever a loyalty event occurs. For example, as soon as a customer books a flight, it automatically triggers the SMS AI agent, thus sending an SMS on the customer's phone. Now let's test it locally. Paste the Node.js snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your SMS AI agent. And that's it. Your SMS AI agent for loyalty marketing is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Node.js application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent and send personalized loyalty messages automatically.